Hey, check this out. What I received today from PV, Performance Vehicle Engineering, hashtag tuning shed. I'm quite excited. Can you guess what it is? Okay, screw this. Let's open this up. It's quite well packaged. How does this open? Woohoo! Only next time is mine. Do you want some tea bags as well? Yorkshire tea! Oh wow, look at this little dedication message. That's actually quite cool. And signed by Steve as well. Steve the legend. Oops.
Libby.
And Libby. Weź to z tego. So let's check this out. I've never seen the actual package of the ECU, but it's actually very well presentable.
So what did you just see the product?
Yeah, just images on the website.
MaxxECU Gen2 race? Just for everyone that hasn't seen this before, like Ralph?
I need to complain about this little damage.
Oh, so for the price, you can expect the box to be immaculate as well.
Yes, a refund, please. So,
Careful with the candle at the back. Oh.
that's actually quite cool. So what do you get? You get a little flyer.
Supposed instructions.
Yeah, to an extent. What engine is this? So it's actually quite handy because they explain it to you what's what.
You still haven't told us what's the engine.
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So.
Is that a Supra?
Not a Supra. Not a Supra. So what do we get in the box?
Loads of cables.
Loads of cables, yes.
Colourful ones. They even have pink.
So harness is quite well done up. 4 harnesses, damn. Copper is expensive nowadays. I don't. That's a little bit overwhelming for my wiring skills. Yep. Lumber. Oh, what's lumber? 5.2. It's nicely like it's got nice heat shield and so on.
Do you even know what you're doing with this?
We will work out. What's this? Oh, some breakout boxes. Interesting. So that's the summer. That goes summer on ECU. So don't lose this. Yeah, we pro. No, it's quite cool. You're not taking this USB-C. They gave you... And they gave you 2 stickers.
Oh.
No, I need this. Don't take this. 2 stickers. Oh. So the whole box is like nicely designed. So they went for that low opening factor. Even possibly you're gonna open this once and then check away, maybe. I'll put some on the shelf. But the touch is quite good. And this is the moment. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
Bit of copper.
Yeah, bit of copper. And that's the actual ECU itself. It's actually not that heavy. The finish is quite amazing. Low antenna. PC connection. USB-C. What's in here? Another USB-C. So they gave you, or gave me, the thing that I almost already lost. So I guess you can change this over to different size if you need to. Which is actually quite smart. That's actually quite cool. So, what do you think? Am I ready for the wiring? No. We'll get there. We'll get there. But there's quite a lot of wiring, so I guess we have to...
You know what we're doing?
Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so now let's...
You've put this the wrong way around.
That's fine.
No.
It's time for Yorkshire tea and a biscuit. See you later.